Hi, today I am going to explain about coordinate geometry. Everyone knows that coordinate geometry was introduced by René Descartes, so that he is a father of coordinate geometry. And we called coordinates are in the name of himself, that is Cartesian coordinate, René Descartesian coordinate. The plane which was introduced by René Descartes is called Cartesian plane. Let us see what he given for coordinate geometry. Let us take this is a two-dimensional plane. This two-dimensional plane can be divided into four equal parts, such as x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash. So here x, o, y is one part, y, o, x dash is second part, x dash o y dash is third part, x o y dash is fourth part. This part is called quadrant 1, simply q1. This y o x dash is called second part, which is called q2, quadrant 2. X dash o y dash is called q3, that is quadrant 3. X o y dash is called q4, that is quadrant 4. Here x o x dash is called horizontal line, y o y dash is called vertical line, which is horizontal and vertical, so that we call this is horizontal line, this is vertical line. Here this horizontal line is completely taken as real number line, and this vertical line is also known as real number line. So let us take, since it is a real number line, at the intersection of lines, intersection of horizontal and vertical lines, we have O, means origin, this is 0. We know that from 0 to right side we have positive numbers. So that let us take positive numbers on right side of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to plus infinite. So these are all positive numbers which are right side of 0 on horizontal line. And left side of 0 we know that negative numbers are here. So that let us take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on, minus infinite. So left side of 0 we have negative numbers, right side of 0 we have positive numbers. This horizontal line is a real number line, and this is called as x-axis, x, o, x dash, horizontal line is called x-axis. Similarly, let us take vertical line, y, o, y dash is vertical line. Here we have 0. Top of the 0 we are taking positive numbers. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on, plus infinite. Similarly, below of the 0, we can take negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on, minus infinite. So this vertical line, which is y, o, y dash, is called y-axis. This is called x-axis. So horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. Now let us take quadrant 1 now. What we have quadrant 1? In quadrant 1, the numbers which are on x-axis. Quadrant 1 means y, o, x, y, o, x or x, o, y is called quadrant 1, one part of the 4 parts. So here on quadrant 1, on x-axis, which is called horizontal line, on x-axis we have positive numbers. So these numbers are the representatives of the x-axis, so that each number is simply taking as x. So the numbers which are on ox are positive, so that x greater than 0. Similarly, what about y here? These are positive numbers which are represented for y-axis, so that the numbers are noted as y that are also greater than 0. When come to second quadrant Q2, in horizontal line numbers are in negative, means ox dash. This is called negative x-axis, this is called positive x-axis. In negative x-axis each number is negative, so these are the numbers represents for x-axis, so that we can take this as x and less than 0. Similarly, by taking y greater than 0. Next, while going to quadrant 3, here take x-axis. The numbers on x-axis are negative, so that we can write x less than 0. Next, On y-axis, the numbers are in negative, -1, -2, -3. This is negative y-axis, this is positive y-axis. So on negative y-axis, numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4, so that we can take y less than 0. Similarly here, on Q4, what is x? The numbers on positive x-axis are positive, so that x is greater than 0. For y, numbers are negative, so that we can take y is less than 0. Okay. So by this Cartesian plane, we can conclude that in the first quadrant, what are the characters of numbers? Both x and y are positive. In second quadrant, what are the characters of numbers? X is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, x is negative, y is negative. By observing the numbers, we can say. So on fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So all is okay. What about this O? Here we have O. Already I told you that intersection of horizontal line and vertical line is called origin. Origin means a starting point. So what is starting point? From here to here, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to -1, 0 to -1. Means here -1 to 0, -1 to 0. Here 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So origin is denoted by O, and that is 0, 0, because this is denotes for x, this is denotes for y. X is 0, y is 0. So at the point of origin, x is neither negative nor positive. At the point of origin, y coordinate is neither negative nor positive. So that origin is 0, 0. With the help of this Cartesian plane, what we conclude that if a point, we already know that a point is denoted by two coordinates, x, y, where x is called first coordinate, y is called second coordinate. For this first coordinate, we have one another name, x coordinate. For this second coordinate, we have one another name, y coordinate. Okay. For this first coordinate, which is also called x coordinate, has one another name, abscissa. What? Abscissa. This y coordinate has one another name, which is also called second coordinate, is ordinate. The point of intersection of horizontal and vertical, which is x-axis and y-axis, is origin. So at origin, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So now we can ask some frequently asked questions. We can discuss some frequently asked questions for 8th class and 9th class standards. So the point 2, 3 belongs to which quadrant? Here you observe, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. We know that x is equal to 2, which is positive, y is equal to 3, which is positive. So x positive, this is positive, sorry, x positive, y positive. So this belongs to Q1. Next, the point -2, 3 belongs to same. This is x, this is y. X is equal to -2, x is negative here, y is positive here, x negative, y positive, belongs to Q2. Next, the point -2, 3 belongs to, this is x, this is y. X is equal to -2, which is negative, y is equal to -3, which is negative, both negative, so belongs to Q3. Next, the point 2, 3 belongs to, here this is x, this is y. X is equal to 2 positive, y is equal to -3 negative, so Q4. Now the point 0, 0 belongs to, this is not belongs to any quadrant, this is called origin, which is point of intersection of both horizontal line and vertical line. And one another thing, in a Cartesian plane, already just we discussed xo, x dash, yo, y dash. Here we have positive numbers 1, 2 and so on. Here we have negative numbers -1, -2 and so on. Here we have positive numbers. Here we have negative numbers. So this horizontal line is called x-axis. So means on x-axis the numbers are related to only x coordinates. On y-axis numbers are related to only y coordinates. So what is the value of y coordinate on x-axis and what is the value of x coordinate on y-axis? So on x coordinate each number is for x, on y axis each number is for y. On x axis each number is for x, on y axis each number is for y. So what is the value of y on x axis and what is the value of x on y axis? So what we say is on x axis the value of y is always 0. Similarly on y axis the value of x is always 0. So now for example the point 2, 0 belongs to, if anybody asks, if the point 2, 0 belongs to, let us take this is x, this is y. X is positive and y is 0. X is positive, here we have these two cases. Y is 0. So means x is positive, y is 0 means we can't go on quadrants. X is positive, y is 0. Y is 0 means that should be on x-axis. What I told, on x-axis y is 0, on y-axis x is 0. So here y is 0 means this point which is called coordinate, Cartesian coordinate 2, 0 lies on x-axis. So x-axis means here we have two parts of x-axis. This is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. So 2 is positive or negative? Yes, positive. So since 2 is positive, 2, 0 belongs to positive x-axis. Similarly, minus 2, 0 belongs to negative x-axis. Similarly, 0, 2 belongs to, let us take the point 0, 2. So 0, 2, x is 0. X is 0 means that point should lie on y-axis. So why? Because on y-axis x is 0, on x-axis y is 0. So means x-axis y is 0, y-axis x 0. So that here in given point x is 0, so that point lies on y-axis. Again y-axis is having two parts, positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Here what is y coordinate? 2. 2 is positive, so that it is positive y coordinates, belongs to positive y axis. Okay, thank you. This will help you.